I waited as long as possible to record this because I genuinely thought it was going to change, but apparently not. True Grit Wrestling, March 26th, Left Bank in Leeds. It's going to be the best tag team that True Grit have ever seen in Misery Business, Alan Kane and Joe Wade, against Wing Commander Nash, Ace Matthews, Nash Bolt. I genuinely thought this was going to be a joke. I genuinely thought it was someone trying to play some sort of stupid prank, but apparently not. So, the match is going to happen. The bell's going to ring. And Misery Business are going to put an end to Nash Bolt before that stupid stuff gets too far. We'll make it quick, but it won't be painless.